Oh, yeah. Nice, nice.
Here we go. 40.5.
In this video, we are here in Kartzone Cebu to attend the Cebu Time Attack Championship 2024, Round 1. So I'm here with Boss Kirby. So unsa na itong event karon, boss?
It's the Power of Attorney Cebu Time Attack Championship 2024.
This is the first series.
Round 1 of 3-leg series. Ang last series will be, ang last leg will be on December. Ang sunod ani is September.
Then ang sunod, ang last.
December
po.
Kani siya gi-organize kini siya in memory of a very good friend, si Power of Attorney Jed Neri. Actually, her daughter is also competing right there. This is Isabel Neri, the daughter of said Jed Neri, si Power of Attorney. Very popular, a very good and well-known tuner. So this is in memory of him.
Every year ni siya makon.
Yes, running 3 years na. We have championship points, and then at the end of the year, we host a dinner. Mura siya og kanang sa nationals nato Golden Wheel. Ang ato kay Cebu Motorsports night. So magkubata na dito, na-appeal na dito mga awards sa mga different drivers, mga accolades, mga achievements.
Okay. Pila tong participants karon, Gerb?
Right now we're maybe close to 30. There's 4 classes. Street, which is little to no modification, pinakaduol sa factory spec. Super Street, kanang na mga I think 3 mods. And modified and open class. Open class is wala tanay kwarta na dito.
So I'm here joined by Isa.
Hello, yes.
Attorney Jed's daughter.
Yes.
Okay, so may join ka karon na? Participant ka karon?
Yeah, I'm joining.
How's your experience? Did you nakarun na ba ka?
Yeah, so I'm gonna be at my 4th heat right now. So I have 3 more heats.
Okay, and then what was your fastest time so far?
My fastest time today was a 40.04. My goal today is to break 40 and do a 39.
Okay, and unsay mong car karon na gi-drive?
So this is a Mazda Miata NA. It actually belonged to my dad, and he sold the car. And later on, when he passed away, I posted on Facebook that I was looking for this car, and somehow somebody connected me to the owners, and I bought it back. What makes this car really special is the plate number Anna143, which translates to Anna, I love you, and that's the name of my mom.
Oh, okay. That's a nice story.
Yeah.
Hopefully I can feature this car soon. No?
For sure. Let me know.
I'm here with
Blue Honoridas.
And this is your first time? No?
Yeah, actually it's my first time.
And how was your experience?
It was fun. Yeah, like the whole like racing the whole track like that. Also learning some new things and meeting some new people also.
So na-join ka sa katong orientation, training. And ano for 3 days, no?
3 days.
And so far, asa man, dagan rakag na learn na.
Yo, actually, daghan gyud ko na learn ato. Then I also applied a lot, and I also tried new things also, which is good.
So, tanan mo na learn sa 3 days na event, nagamit yun mo sa race.
Nagamit good, pero it also says orientation na there's also something that's in you na it's only you're good na makakuan, like who can perform that.
Yeah, sa balig ko.
Which I've noticed also about when I was racing. So, yeah.
While you're in that situation,
Yeah.
while in the race, okay. So, unsa na car mong gi-drive karon?
I drive 2004 Toyota Corolla Love Life.
Okay, and so far, what's your fastest time?
I haven't checked my fastest time yet.
You haven't checked, okay.
Yes.
Okay, but so far, okay ra.
Yeah, what I've noticed, between the first and second run, the gap is like more than 2 seconds.
2 seconds.
They said, yeah.
Okay, but nahitabo sa mong ano? Sa mong car, no?
Yeah, like
Sa
the
mong
last
run?
corner, I broke down at the last
Okay.
corner.
So I'm here with Coach Vip. Coach, how important is proper training before joining any race or any events like this?
Well, actually, the main reason for a good training or why everybody has to pass the training is because of safety. That's number one. The next one is that in order to be able to enjoy the sport, you have to get the skill. So, since driving is already a life skill,
Yeah.
which everybody can do already, the problem is what is the proper application of all of these things. Now, that's what you get from training.
Okay, so in training you will learn the theories of
The
racing,
theories of racing, everything that's involved.
fundamentals,
Yeah, the fundamentals, the technique, or everything.
yeah, and then plus the skills of the driver, and then apply it on the race.
Yes.
Okay. What's your tips for the aspiring race car drivers, Coach?
Well, actually, the first thing is that they just have to drive safe.
Okay.
Okay, as we always say, in order to be first, you have to finish first. So that would be the start. Another thing is that that's the discipline already of a race driver, that you already have to be safe all the time.
Safety is the first priority.
Safety is the first priority.